Hello viewers, welcome to Eklavy Academy. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create the registration form in Python using Tkinter and MariaDB database. So in our previous video, I explained how to create the login form in Python using Tkinter and MariaDB database. So if you didn't see it, kindly watch that video also. Okay, so in this one I'm going to explain how to create the registration form in Python using Tkinter and MariaDB. So in my previous video I explained how to create the database and table in MariaDB. Okay, so now I explain the coding first. So here we are importing the tk message box from Tkinter. Then import MariaDB, then import SYS. Then here we set the title for registration form. Then we assign the width and height of the screen. Okay. Then here I am using 5 variable names: name, roll number, class, username and password. Then here we are having the user defined functions database of. So in this function I define the connection string for MariaDB. So MariaDB.connect of user equal to root, password equal to empty, then host equal to localhost, port number, then database is equal to colleges. Okay, then we are having the function exit of. So the message box asks the user, are you sure you want to exit? So if the answer is yes, means it exits from the Tkinter window. Okay, the next function is register of. So here first we call database of function. Okay, so after that we are checking if all the fields are filled or not. So here we are checking using the if condition. If name dot get equal to empty or roll number dot get off equal to empty, then class dot get off equal to empty or username dot get off equal to empty or password dot get off equal to empty. Okay, then we set the text for the label. Else, so we are fetching the data from the table register. Then we are checking the username. If cursor dot fetch one of is not none, means username is already taken. Otherwise insert the values into register. Okay. Then we are placing the text box values also. Okay. So this is the coding for creating the registration form in Python using Tkinter and MariaDB. So run the program using run module option. The new window opens. So here give the name. So successfully created. Okay, so check the database. For that, fetching the records from the table register. It shows 3 records. I hope everyone understand how to create the registration form in Python using tkinter with MariaDB database. If you people find our videos interesting and informative, so kindly provide your support through likes, comments, sharing and subscribe the channel for further videos. Thank you all.